Steps to cleaning an oil spill. When you're changing your oil, there's a good chance that some of it isn't going to make it into the collection vessel that you've chosen, and you're going to end up with oil on the ground. Now, there are many products like this, which is designed specifically to absorb oil safely so that you can sweep it up and get it off of your concrete or asphalt or the like. In a case of an oil spill like this, you just sprinkle it on until the bulk of the oil is covered and the top layer is relatively dry. And in a half hour to an hour, that oil will be soaked up, and you can take a dustpan and broom and sweep it up. And you want to make sure that you dispose of this particular mixture of oil and cleaner in an appropriate way. All oil should be disposed of either at collection facilities that take waste oil or at various parts stores that sell oil. You don't want to put it in your trash or pour it down the drain or anything like that. That's a very bad thing to do. So just make sure that you dispose of it properly, and it's also a good idea when you're working with waste oil to wear rubber gloves because it can cause health issues.